Hey, what's poppin' everyone? We are here today at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida. In today's video, I wanted to give you guys a full guided tour of SeaWorld itself because I think this park has so much to offer. Ever since the Chamois situation, they have revamped it and it's a great place to come to. And on top of that, we want to go ahead and check out the Penguin Trek roller coaster to see the update on the construction. And also, I want to talk to you guys about the all dining pass that they do have and let you know if it's worth it, if it's not worth it. So we're gonna dive into all that, give you a full guided tour of everything, and have a great day. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I think SeaWorld is a good spot for anybody on a budget because the passes are dirt cheap and they give you so much access to everything. The first pass, I think it's like $15 a month. And the Platinum Pass, which I have, which comes with everything. It comes with preferred parking. You get double the discount on certain food and merchandise. I mean, it's a lot. So I definitely recommend getting a pass if you're on a budget and you want to still enjoy some type of theme park, good theme park. Some great attractions and good food also. So as we're walking by Manta, I did not know they had a Build-A-Board workshop at SeaWorld here. That's pretty neat. Let's see what's inside. So this is all they have to offer for the kiddos. SeaWorld Rescue, they got some penguins, a walrus. It's pretty nice. Hammerhead shark. And then to the left of the Build-A-Board workshop, you have Stingray Lagoon, where you could pet a bunch of stingrays endlessly, honestly. And they do come up to you. They do have a Stingray food spot where you can pick some food up for them. So I just checked the price. It is $8 for one tray and then $25 for 4 trays. All you need is one tray. They give you a decent amount and you'll be able to definitely pet some stingrays with that one tray. So it's pretty cheap. I definitely recommend if you haven't done this before. Like I said before, they do come close even without getting food. I mean, I could probably pet this little fella. Yep. Man, I gotta tell you, they are so slimy, the stingrays. I just touched one. Definitely go wash your hands after, but they are super slimy. And then right by the stingray section, you do have the Dolphin Encounter. It's not open right now. It just got done storming, so they probably doesn't have it open, but it's definitely nice. You get to feed them, pet them, interact with them. And if you are a Platinum member, you do get a free Dolphin Encounter. So that's something that's good to know. Now, if you're not the type of person to like looking above, you can come underwater and see the dolphins, which honestly could be a better view. Just depends where they're spotted because that pool is pretty big. See right here inside, you do get a better view of the Dolphin Encounter itself. It's beautiful. I still think they needed more space to swim, but still a beautiful sight. Oh, there's another one right there too. It's nice. And across from the dolphin underwater cave, you do have the dolphin show. Unfortunately, we did miss it because we came here a little later. Last show's at 5 p.m. First show's at 10, but it's a great show. I will say that. It's probably the best show here, to be honest. I definitely recommend to get in here if you can and come 30 minutes earlier. And as you walk past the dolphin show, this is where they usually have the manatee rescue, but it seems like it's shut down right now, unfortunately. Looks like they're doing some type of construction. I don't see any manatees right now, actually. Oh, no, there's one right there. There's one right here also. Oh, they got them right here. I spotted me a baby alligator right here, actually. That's pretty cool. So as we're about to get some lunch, let's talk about all-day dining. Personally, I think all-day dining is a steal. It's typically $60, but majority of the time they have it at about $45, which it is right now. So how it works is you get to eat all day, you eat every hour and a half, which if you put that together, let's say you go to the park for 8-9 hours, I mean, you're gonna get at least 4 meals in. And keep in mind, these meals do cost about $25 each. It is very expensive. So I suggest, if you do come here, definitely get the all-day dining pass. It is worth the money. You're gonna eat a lot. And me, typically, with me and my family, we get 1 pass between the 4 of us. And we just eat throughout the day. So that's my plan. That's what we usually do. Sometimes we do 2 if we're really hungry. But if we're just snacking, just get 1 pass and just eat throughout the entire day. And everybody's happy, nobody's hungry, because they give you a lot of food. So definitely get it. I recommend it highly. So like I was saying with SeaWorld, how they have definitely picked up everything. They've built so many more roller coasters. Now this is obviously one of the older ones, Journey of Atlantis. But then you also have the Kraken right here, which is another old one. But then you have that one over there. That is the new Penguin Trek that we will be talking about very soon. They haven't closed off, but we will get to that. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So SeaWorld has definitely upped their game on trying to make this more of a roller coaster theme park rather than about the animals, which I enjoy, because there was a lot of controversy after the Shamu incident. And you know, I'm not gonna speak on it. Everybody has their differences and I respect everybody's opinion. But I will say they have revamped it, made it pretty much a roller coaster theme park. As you hear the yelling right behind me, they have picked up everything, and it's really nice. Especially the Penguin Trek roller coaster that is coming. It's supposed to come spring. Spring is almost over, so I'm not sure when that ride is coming, but they have definitely made great progress. It looks ready to go. I can't wait, honestly, to get on it myself, and I will be here for the preview. Also, fun fact, the Penguin Trek is going to be a very long roller coaster, which I enjoy. It's supposed to have 3,000 feet of track, also 2 launching pads. Now that we've got done with the left side of the park, which is where there is literally no food. So if you're going to the left side of the park when you first come in, do not expect any food to be there. So we ended up just getting food inside because the lines for the 7 Seas are ridiculous. But I understand that because, like I said before, this is the last day. So I'm gonna show you what they have here at the barbecue spot though. It's really good. I do recommend when you get the all dining pass. So this is the menu that they do have. We're gonna go ahead and get the smoked chicken. It's $21.49. They used to actually have the trio sampler where you get all 3, but they have stopped selling that, unfortunately. This actually turned out looking very good. Can't wait to get into it. I'll let you guys know what it tastes like after. So we just got done with lunch, and I gotta say, the food was actually very good. If I had to give it out of 10, I would probably give it a 7.5 out of 10. Now, the reason why I'm saying 7.5 is because we had to get another plate because the meat was undercooked the first time. So that brought the scale down a little bit. So we're on our way to Sesame Street. On the way there, you do have the shark encounter that we're about to go to. And this is the underwater grill bar, which is very cool, good food. I definitely recommend going there. But right now, we're headed there. I'll show you guys what they have. It is great. I think it's something fun for the kids to do. There's a lot of fishes, a lot of sharks, a lot of different things to see. It's pretty cool. A lot of dories inside there. I don't see Nemo, baby.
I need more than
No Nemo. Oh, I think I found Nemo. Kind of. These are the horned sharks. Pretty cool. I've always wondered how these sharks do not eat the fishes inside the tank. They have to feel them pretty good for that not to happen. That's the only other thing I can think of. Let me know if somebody knows in the comments. I found a puffer fish. Aw, don't go away. And here you have the shark tank. It's Huge. Oh wow. Look at that one. Jeez. Hey, there goes a hammerhead. That's my favorite shark, is a hammerhead. They're everywhere, man. Beautiful place. Look at the teeth on that, man. Good Lord. Wow. That is terrifying. There goes a school of fish. I'm serious, man. Somebody let me know how these sharks do not eat these fish.
A few moments later.
Oh my God. This is what I was talking about. One of those sharks ate a fish. There's no way I just caught that. That was wild. I have been to SeaWorld numerous times and I have never seen a dead fish or a half-eaten fish, as a matter of fact, in the shark tank. I just asked one of the employees, is that normal? He's like, it's not unheard of, but it's not common either. So that was a good catch of that on film. That was wild. And right by the shark tank, you do have one of the iconic roller coasters, Mako. It has probably the largest drop in Florida, I think. I have to do some fact checking on that, but there goes the drop right there. It's pretty huge. It's a long way down. And then after you walk by by Mako, you have Infinity Falls. This place is great on a hot summer because you do get soaked on this ride. I mean, extremely soaked. And here we are at Sesame Street Land. Let's get into it. Right as soon as you walk in to the left of Sesame Street Land, they have this carousel ride. Line doesn't look too bad, so we're gonna actually get on something for the kids. They've been patient all day, so we owe them. And as soon as you pass the carousel ride, you do have the Elmo's Choo Choo train. My fiance and my kids are about to go on that right now while we talk about some fun, interesting things that is coming in September. So what I wanted to talk about is Hollow Screen. Starts September the 6th is the first date. I will try and be there for the preview. It's gonna be a blast. I love doing Hollow Screen. I actually love all of them. I'm gonna go to Hollow Screen, Halloween Horror Nights. I wanna do everything. But specifically, since we're at SeaWorld, let's talk about Hollow Screen. Tickets are on sale for $39.99 and they will go up. So I do recommend to get your tickets right now. It's the best time to get it. They're very cheap. They may go up, they may not, but with them being rated #1 last year as one of the top Halloween events, I expect some people to come here because they're starting to get more publicity at SeaWorld for Hollow Screen. So I recommend you guys get your tickets now because it may get very busy and the prices might jump to $100 per ticket. So I hope you guys come. I hope I see some of you. Hope we have a great time. They do have a little playground for the kiddos. My daughter has a blast. I have a video of her going backwards on this slide. It is hilarious, but she loves this little park, man. They also have a little roller coaster for the kiddos, for the ones that do like the more extreme side. And right by the roller coaster, they do have Slimy Slider, which is kind of like a little ship that rocks back and forth. The attraction is closed right now, unfortunately, so it looks like they maybe have some renovation done to it, which was much needed. But it's a fun ride for the kids. My daughter loved, both of them actually, even the younger one. They both love this ride. And then right next to that, you do have the Flower Tower. This thing literally rises in the air, just spins around in a circle. It's pretty cool. And you can spin it also while it's moving. So I think it's a pretty cool attraction also for the kiddos. And now we are headed to the Wild Artic, which is right after Sesame Street Land, where you can see a bunch of mammals. That's where they moved the penguins actually, and we'll talk about why they moved them there. While we're headed to the Wild Artic, look at this crowd. It looks like they're here for a concert. This is the last weekend for the Seven Seas Food Festival, so Not sure who's playing, but somebody famous is here. So as soon as you walk into the Wild Artic, they have this big thing of ice that you can touch. It is ice cold. And as you come over, you'll see 2 belugas right here. Wow. Came at the right time. Those are beautiful. Wow. Also, the way to get in here, you do have to go through the gift shop. It's kind of, I wish they would have signs, but they don't have any signs really stating where to particularly go. But you do have to go through the gift shop if you want to come to the Wild Artic. So just keep that in mind. And this is where they have the penguins stationed right now. And I do see 2 little ones right here on the glass. The reason why the penguins are over here in the Wild Artic is because of the Penguin Trek ride getting done. Once that Penguin Trek ride is done, they will move back to their original location, which was which is actually right below the roller coaster. That's supposed to be part of the attraction, Penguin Trek, as soon as you get off that ride. As soon as you walk here, if you go downstairs, you do have these walruses. They are huge. And as we're making our last stop, we do have Icebreaker right here, which is honestly probably my favorite roller coaster at SeaWorld, other than Mako. I love this ride. It's just so much fun, man. It's very short, but it is definitely a fun roller coaster. But before we leave, I do have to show you guys the new stand-up roller coaster. Yes, stand up. I will get on this and do a POV of that roller coaster. It is beautiful. I have not been on it yet, but I will go on it, and I do have a platinum pass, so I will be able to get a quick queue. So I will use it for that because that ride line gets very long. But it's definitely pretty cool. Look at that view, man. Beautiful view. So they did change the Dolphin Encounter. They've got some new stuff up. And the stadium is actually repainted. Did not notice that until now. Looks nice. All right, guys, that will be it for today. We got so much done and unpacked so much. It was a great day. I will be back because SeaWorld is so much fun, and I'll possibly record some videos of me on these roller coasters. But I wanted to give you guys a full review of SeaWorld, and I think it's worth the money because, like I said, it is dirt cheap. There's so much value in each pass you get. So definitely make a trip out here if you can. Kids will love it. You will love it. It's family made. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you made it all the way to the end, please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And you guys have a blessed evening. See you.